Good day, guys. This is Silver again, here today with another powerful boom and crash strategy, guys. Another powerful and special boom and crash strategy. What did I say is special? It's special because you can use this strategy to trade the regular candle and, most importantly, catch spike. When you are catching spike, it's sweet. But when you are trading a regular candle, you got to be very careful. And you need powerful strategy to do that, which is this one too. Now I will show you how to catch the regular candle first before we go to the spike. Now for the regular candle, you have to wait till, let's say, price gets to this oversold level. Immediately it gets to the oversold level, you wait, you don't buy it, then you wait for a confirmation, which is the red moving average crossing the blue moving average. Immediately it crosses it. Now the next confirmation is on your main chart, which is this red and blue moving average here. You wait for both of them to cross the blue moving average, which is your moving average 35. You wait for it to be crossed. So immediately it crosses it, then you can enter for a sell. For a buy. You can enter for a buy, and then you wait. Since we are trading the regular candle and spike can occur at any time, so what you do is to just wait till price gets to this 50 level. Immediately it gets to the 50 level, you are out of the market. As you can see here on the main chart, you can see when price gets to that 50 level, you will see it also that it has gotten to this yellow moving average, which is your 200 moving average. When it gets there, you can see it's the same thing with the indicator level. So when it gets to the yellow level, you are out of the market, because there's possibility that spike can occur in this area here, and then you go back to loss. So to avoid that, at this point you are out of the market. That's it, guys. You are out of the market. Now the next one is our spike catching, which is the same step too. You wait for your moving average, red and blue, to get to the 90 level. Once it's at the 90 level, which is our overbought level, we wait for the crossing to happen. Now this one is very technical. Now the first thing to do is to wait for your spike. Like immediately you get to that 90 level, you wait for it to spike. You will see spike, like the red if spike occur, you will see that the red moving average will show under here, will be showing under here separately from the blue one. So immediately it does that, you don't enter, you just wait. Then the next thing to wait for is your crossing. You wait for a spike below this blue moving average, below the moving average 35. You wait for a spike. Immediately that spike occur, you can enter. Now one thing I like about spike catching is that it minimizes your loss. Like you can risk $1 and get $10 at the same time. You can risk $1 to get $10. Or the other one, which is the regular candle, you can maybe risk, maybe if you are trading that one, spike, if spike occur, if you enter at a a bad position. If spike occur, you can blow your account. But if you are catching spike, that's why I like catching spike. If you are catching spike, you can use $1 to get $10. So when spike occur at this area here now, you enter and then you can maybe place your stop loss at the top here, or you can place it above this blue line. You can place it above it here, so that whenever price get back to there, you won't have much loss. But I assure you that whenever it crosses this place and your indicator is at the 90 level, just be expecting maximum spikes. As in, the spike will be coming, especially on this crash 300 and boom 300. I love this pair, guys. I love this pair. The spike will just be coming. You'll be seeing it coming. Even if it gets to this yellow level, you can still hold. If it goes up, surely it will grow, like you see how it breaks it now, and it went down. You can still hold. If you are holding, you can see that it will still be going down. It will still be going down, and that $1 that you are risking now, you won't be scared because it's $1 now. Pata you still like recover it. So you see, guys, this is what is special about spike catching. It's very very profitable. If you enter at the right spot, you can minimize your loss. So you can see that's how this strategy works. It's very very powerful, guys. If you wait for your condition to be met and you enter, you have nothing to fear. You wait for it to get to the 90 level. After the crossing of the red line, you wait for your final confirmation on the main chart, which is this place. It crosses it, you enter. Immediately there is any spike that will break through the blue line, you enter from that spike, and then you can place your stop loss here, or you can just say you can just be monitoring your trade. Immediately it goes back to loss and hit your $1 $1 that you want to raise, you can just close manually, or you can set your stop loss below this place, and then the broker will close your trade for you automatically. So that is how it works. Look at another example here. If you want to buy, if you want to trade the regular candle, immediately it reach on the main screen, it crosses this blue line, you hold to the 50 level, which is this place, and then you are out of the market. Look at another example, guys. Got another example here, another one here, crosses. So you can see, guys, immediately it crosses the blue line, there was maximum spike. You can see that, guys. Maximum spike to the 50 level, or you can hold to the 90 the 10 level, anyone you wish to. Now for the takeaway key points, don't forget to do your analysis on the higher time frame. Very very important. It helps you to have a better confirmation and confidence that what you are doing is right. So you go to your 15-minute time frame, and then you check. For me, I like to do my analysis, like I always say, from the 1 hour time frame, so that you have a clearer understanding of the market. You can see how I draw my trend line. You draw your trend line so that you get a better confirmation, and then for your entry you go back to your 1 hour time frame. Now you can see that whenever price gets closer to that trend line, you have a confirmation, or whichever way you can do it, or you can use this indicator as your confirmation only. But for your confidence, to have a strong confidence in what you are doing, you can draw your trend line on the higher time frame and then see what and understand the market and know what you are doing. You can see, look at the perfect example here. I've drawn my trend line on the market. You see that when price gets to this place, now you can also buy, sell from this point too. You can also sell from this point. You can see on the indicator window too, it's showing the same thing. When price gets to this moving average, you can see that here too it has get to the 90 level. So you can also buy from this, sell from this place, and set your stop loss a little bit above that blue line there, and then you see your maybe your $1 stop loss there. If you lost now, it's going to be $1, and you see your profits going massively. Look at how it goes from this point, guys, till this place, as if you are catching spike. And then let's talk about the regular candle for those of you who love to catch the regular candles. Now this is a strong support level, and you can see that when price gets to that area there, gets to this place, you wait for your confirmation. Wait for your confirmation on the main chart for the crossing to happen. Immediately it happens here, you enter. When it gets to this yellow line, which is your 50 level, you are out. Well, in this kind of case, okay, it eventually went there. All right. Well, in this kind of, like, let's say in a case whereby the price has already gotten to the the yellow line here, and it has not reached this 50 level here, immediately you see it going to that yellow moving average, you are supposed to be out of the market, because even if it has not gotten to this 50 level, this yellow line here is moving average 200. So be very careful, guys. If you are trading the regular candle, you are supposed to be out, because there is possibility there are going to be spike there, and you'll be back to loss. So I will advise you leave the market at that point. Sorry, guys. So that's that about that. The strategy is very powerful. I love it, and I've been using it for a very long time now. So I decided to share it with you guys, my brothers and sisters. Take it, milk the markets. Remember, this strategy is specially created for crash and boom 300. Crash and boom 300. If you wish, you can use it for other booms and other pairs too, but I advise you use it for only this one and make money. Okay, that is that about that. Let's go to our setting. Now you just have to copy it. Look at the screen, copy it, just copy it. Moving average, period 5, color red. Just copy everything you see on the screen. Our third moving average is moving average 14. The color is green. Copy everything you see on the screen. Pause your video and copy it. The fourth one is moving average 200. This is the yellow one. Copy everything. Now this one I'm showing you is for the main screen. The main screen. You just copy everything. Now before you go to that place, before I forget, you click on this. You click on this F icon. After clicking on the F icon, it will take you to the to where you add your moving average. Then you click on this F icon to add your moving averages. That is if you are just entering that place, you click on the F icon to add your moving average. That is for those of you who don't know how to do it. Then you add your moving average. Now for our indicator window 2, which is this area here. You click on the F icon, you search for stochastic oscillator, which is this one, and then you click it. You can see the screen, guys. I don't want to waste time again. I've wasted much time already. You can see the screen. You copy everything you are seeing here. Now the levels is level 90, 50, and 10. Use 2 pixel and color black. Sorry about that. Color black. That is if your background is white, and if your background is black, you use color white so that it will show on the screen. That is that about that. Then under the stochastic oscillator, now you go to your after you have add your stochastic oscillator, after you have add it, you see the screen. The inside will be plain, nothing will be inside. And after that, you go back to your F icon, click on the F icon, then you still click on this F icon again. Click on this F icon again. It will open a new window for you, and then you start adding other moving average on that window. This is the window it created for me. When I click it, indicator window 1, after it click it for you, and then you start adding your moving averages, which is, and then the first moving average we have here is the moving average 1, linear weight, close, 1 pixel, color red. And then the second one is moving average 2, the same thing, everything. The only thing that changed there is the 2. The third one is moving average 3. The only thing that changed there is the 3. The fourth one, 1, 2, 3, 4. The fourth one is, everything is the same, guys. Everything is the same. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then the fifth one, everything is still the same. Now the color change from the sixth one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then the sixth one, sorry, I'm lost. Hey, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are all red. Then from this one, 1, 2, 3, 4. I use blue color for that. And then let me open it so that you see it. From this one, I use 9. The other one, I use 10. The other one, I use 11. The other one, I use 12. And note, I use exponential moving average here. It's not linear weight anymore. It's exponential. Whatever it is, I don't know how to pronounce it. So that's it, guys. That's that about that. That's the setting, and you have a screen like this. If you like, you can also use your color too, your own different color that you like. Me, this is the one I like to use. This is how I want it to be. So that's that about that, guys. Catch your spike and then you trade your regular candle, anyone you wish to. Now you can see that my price has gotten to the overbought level here, and this is my trend line showing there. That's gotten to that place. And then you can see now on the indicator window, it has also gotten to there, but I'm not buying it, I'm not selling it, I'm waiting for that confirmation, that crossing to happen. Now immediately it happens, I will enter the market. This is my uh, this is my account size now. Immediately it gets there, I'm going to buy and I will grow that account to $100. This is 5 p.m. Anything 12, I'll be having $100 account. So that is it, guys. Subscribe to my channel. Have a lovely day. Goodbye.